Hi there, and welcome to this course on Healthy Body, a Happy Me. I am going to be your teacher for today. I'm also a life coach, and my name is Jennifer Suggs. And I am so excited about offering this. Hopefully, because I'm a teacher, you'll get a lot of free information that will help you better your life and will help you make healthier choices. You know, as a life coach, my specific area is relationships and development. And no matter what, when I tell you that a healthy body is the key to so many different things, that even if you have a promotion on your job, if your body can't keep up with where you want to go, it just doesn't matter. So I wanted to maybe offer this for you, and hopefully today we will be on a great little journey towards a better us by starting with having a healthy body. Now, this is going to be a how-to guide for weight loss and health for any level, okay? That's beginners, intermediate people, and advanced people that work on workouts and meal plans, okay? So let's get started. All right, so here I always say these little phrases because that's just who I am. A healthier me, loving yourself as God loves you. Now, if you don't believe in God, that's okay. You know, you can say higher power, you can say universe, but loving yourself as you were created to be loved, or loving yourself as you were created to be. You know, and this is what we're going to do when we start making healthier choices about taking care of our body and knowing how to maintain that, and knowing how to keep it going and sustain it, and even if I have a bad day, knowing how to get back on. I'm telling you, it is the key to a healthier mindset and a key to the energy that you can bring towards your passion, towards your purpose, and towards your life. So I'm excited. Let's get started. Now, before we start making healthier choices about our bodies, we got to first prepare our mindsets. Now, I'm not going to spend too long on this, but I beg you, do not skip this part of the course, because a healthy body, it begins with a healthy mindset. We got to prepare our mind for this lifestyle change if we are ever going to really make a real change and actually keep it going in our life, okay? So the three things I wanted to talk about was meditation, prayer, and affirmations. Now, meditation feeds your mind, your body, your spirit, and your soul. Prayer is the act of connecting to your source, your higher power, your source. And affirmations is being able to create what you want, okay? So first things first, let's talk a little bit about meditation and how to actually accomplish this. Now, if you already know how to meditate and you've already been doing it, great. Please continue doing what you do. Especially if you've been doing it, yes, continue. For those of you that are just beginners, I want to try to just give you this small little guide. First, you want to find a special place in your house. It doesn't have to be a big place, but a place where you feel comfortable. It can be in a chair. It could be sitting on a couch. If you can sit upright in your bed, that's a good place to do. But I want you to just find a space where you can be uninterrupted for maybe 3 or 4 minutes, 5 minutes tops. And it says here, simply start to breathe in through your nose. Good. And now breathe out through your mouth. You want to close your eyes and breathe in. And you want to breathe out through your mouth. Now, when you're doing this, you want to focus in on your breathing. Breathe in, and you want to breathe out. When you focus in on your breathing, you are letting go of all the outside pressures, all the outside stresses, and you are intentionally focusing and placing your mind on your breathing. Breathe in deeply, and breathe out. With your eyes closed, you want to begin to scan your body. That simply means be mindful of where you are in that room. Breathe in and breathe out. Are your hands placed on your lap or on your chair? Just notice how it feels for your body to be in the chair. Breathe in And then breathe out. You want to keep doing this. If your mind wanders, it's okay. Gently bring it back in to focus in on your breathing. Breathe in. And you want to breathe out. As you're sitting, things are going to pop up, and that's okay. I do not want you to intervene with your thoughts. You simply want to observe them and be a spectator. Breathe in and breathe out. You might notice your body feeling heavy in certain places. That's okay. Breathe in and breathe out. You want to do this for about 5 minutes. Breathe in and breathe out. Again, don't try to fix your problems. Don't try to force your mind to do anything. Just simply nudge it back to what you sound like breathing. Breathe out, and what your body feels like. Breathe in and breathe out. And when you want to, you can slowly bring yourself out. Breathe in slowly. Come back to where you are in the room and open your eyes. And that's it. You won't believe it, but meditation, prayer, and affirmations are meant to build you up. They feed you. And the things that come up inside of your meditation, you're getting stronger from the inside out when you do these things. But those things that come up, you can take into your next section, which is prayer. Now, prayer, you want to start prayer off with being grateful. That's number one. It says, I'm so thankful for. You want to talk about being grateful, and honestly, you want to add on to the things you're thankful for every single day. I'm thankful for my children. I'm thankful for another day. I'm thankful for ears that hear, eyes that see. I'm thankful for food on the table today. I'm thankful for, my 30 years of living, my 40 years of living, so on and so forth. Add to your list every single day. Absolutely overwhelm yourself with thankfulness. It actually brings a sense of ease within your life. It uplifts your mindset, and when you're uplifted, you're able to shift your mindset a little bit more, and you put yourself in a position where you can receive positive things into your life in a better way. The second part of prayer, it says, I'm so glad that you helped me with. This is the place where you're grateful that the universe stepped in, or you're grateful that God stepped into your life. And I want you to remind yourself of different times where God did step in, and you want to remember those things so much so that you can remind yourself that you're not in this by yourself, that the universe wants good things for you, or your higher power is on your side, or God is rooting for you and pushing for you to go forward, and I'm so glad that you were there to help me overcome, and you want to try to remember those things that you've overcome. We call this building a memorial or testimony, so that you will remember you're not in this thing by yourself. These are great, especially on bad days, okay? The next one, I love you, God, because this is the place where you open yourself up and you embrace the good things that have happened and the good things that are happening to you right now. And that sets you up for believing for good things that will happen in your life. So you embrace them. You receive them. I love you, God, because you provided for me. You have always provided for me, and I thank you. The next section just says, help. Please help me tomorrow this is where you want to ask for what you need. I need guidance. I need wisdom. I need favor. I need strength. I need the motivation to make some different changes in my health. This is where you kind of empty yourself of the things that are burdening you down. And then the next thing says, please watch over. This is where you are casting all of that weight onto your higher power, because we realize we are a limited resource. But when we connect to our higher power, that those things the universe will take care of. So we can empty ourselves of the things that we can't do, and we can ask for help and receive it from our higher power or source that will help us as we go. It's awesome when you can make this connection. So let's move quickly to our next section, which is creating affirmations. This is one of my favorite things, and this is lining up your language with where you want to go in your life, and you begin to speak those things just as if they are happening to you today. So here it says, avoid the future tense. You don't want to say, I will be wealthy someday. No, you want to say, I am healthy and I am wealthy right now. You want to stay in the present tense, and you also want to stay away from the negatives of a word. So instead of saying, I am not ugly, you want to say, I am beautiful, inside and out. Instead of saying, I am not sick, you want to say, I am healthy and I make healthy choices every day. You speak it as if it already is happening in your life. It might feel weird in the beginning, but it will begin to feed you. Give it about 5 days, and you will begin to look forward. Look forward to these moments where you are feeding yourself and empowering yourself. And last but not least, good old homework. I beg you, do not skip this. It's simple, but it is how you prepare for success when we switch into making healthier choices with our bodies. Number 1, simply find a space in your home for meditation. Number 2, not required, but consider having a prayer journal where you can write those things that you're grateful for down, and you want to write those testimonials down that we talked about before, those things where the universe helped you or God helped you overcome. And then number 3, I want you to create your own affirmations for a healthier body, a happier life, or successful relationships, however. And I want you to add to what you're grateful for every day. And I want you to add to your affirmations daily. Start with about 5 each, and every day try to add on at least 1 or 2. Add on 1 or 2. These things help you. I cannot tell you, I can't stress it enough. They feed you and give you longevity when it comes to maintaining success and a healthier life. All right? Well, that's all I have for our first little introduction to the course. Next, we're going to jump into the meal planning and then the workouts that will work for all levels. All right, well, I will see you in the next section. All right, bye for now.